Hello viewers, welcome all to our new video. In this video, we learn about ChatGPT. So let's jump into main video and get the topic. So in today's video, particularly, we focus designing chatbots for optimal performance. Designing chatbots for optimal performance requires careful planning and execution that is needed. Here are some key factors to consider when designing chatbots. First, define the use case and user goals. That means understanding the use case and user goals is critical for designing chatbots that meets user needs. It's essential to define the chatbot's purpose such as providing customer support or delivering personalized recommendations, and understand the user's expectations and requirements. Use natural language. Chatbots should be designed to use natural language and understand the nuances of human conversation. They should be able to handle variations in language, such as slang and colloquialism, and be capable of understanding the user's intent. Provide clear and concise responses. Chatbots should provide clear and concise response to user queries. The response should be tailored to the user's needs and be relevant to the query. It's essential to avoid overly complex or technical language and provide information in a straightforward and easy to understand way. Next, incorporate personalization. Personalization is a key factor in chatbot design. Chatbots should be designed to provide personalized experience based on user data such as preferences, browsing history, and purchase behavior. By providing personalized experiences, chatbots can improve user engagement and satisfaction. Next part, integrate with other systems. Chatbots should be designed to integrate with other systems such as CRM, customer relationship management, and inventory management system. This integration allows chatbots to provide a more comprehensive and accurate service to users. Use analytics to improve performance. Analytics can be used to monitor chatbots' performance and identify areas for improvement. Chatbot designers should use analytics to track user engagement, response times, and user satisfactions. That is must. This data can be used to optimize the chatbot's performance and improve the user experience. Test and refine the chatbot. Testing and refining the chatbot is an essential part of the design process. Chatbot designers should test the chatbot with a diverse range of users to identify any issue and areas for improvement. Refining the chatbot based on user feedback can lead to more effective and efficient chatbot. By considering those factors, chatbot designers can create chatbots that are optimized for performance and provides seamless and engaging user experience. Okay, so in summary, in today's video particularly, we learn about chatbot design for optimal performance.